Oscar, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. America's Most Wanted. Okay, that was awkward. Oscar, where'd you put the scissors, bud? Where are the scissors? Scissors, scissors, scissors. Dun 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 dun. We got a new air filter for the Gladiator. Yes. Keys, keys. Oscar, did you buy a Porsche, bud? Did you buy a Porsche? Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. This is not the new supercar, but we got the 2011 Porsche 911 C4S. Oscar, you did good. Pound it. Pound it. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We have so much to do in preparation for SEMA. First, Gladiator. We're gonna hop in that, take it off to Agility Customs, new tires, new wheels, new rear suspension, Uber home, grab the C4S, take it to make some models, grab the Supra. Air management, air ride is done. Take the Supra up to Park City to Summit Auto Lab, drop it off for the wide body kit, grab the Aventador, take the Aventador to make some models for the annual servicing. Lots to do. Cold startup Jeep Gladiator Hellcat. We have 10,563 miles on the Hellcat Gladiator. I would reckon this is the highest mileage Hellcat Gladiator in the world. Yes, the 6x6 Hellcat Gladiator is still gonna happen. We're still waiting for the Elephant as well. The problem is that this entire project is like 100% custom. We have parts being built all around the world just for us, and a lot of them just have not arrived here to Utah, and we have SEMA, and the Jeep can't be in like a million pieces. So as soon as SEMA gets over, we get the Jeep back to Utah. This 6x6 build is gonna begin. I'm so excited. Welcome to Agility Customs. We're dropping off the Gladiator here at Agility Customs because 40-inch tires are impressive, but you know what's more impressive? 42-inch tires. We also have a set of white wheels that are being powder coated right now. I'm just dropping it off and then I'm Ubering home. Kind of sort of two outcomes at play right now. Either A, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna make it a two outcome at play. Oh gosh, that's a big tire. That's a big 42-inch tire from BFG. 40s are cool, but 42s will change your life. Are you kidding me? That is gonna be just that extra 2 inches. That's what we need, boys. That's what we need. Now we have to figure out how to get the 42-inch tire up the stairs. This could be curious, but I think we can do it. Hey-o! Stay undead and drive sober. I couldn't have said it better myself. So change of plans. We're headed to Park City first. Slight change of plans. We are here in Park City at Summit Auto Lab. We're gonna pick up the Aventador, race down to make some models, drop it off, pick up the Supra. The Supra's been delayed about an hour or so. Once it's done, bring it back to the lab for Clayton to install the wide body kit, pick up the Carrera 4S, take it to make some models, grab an Uber, grab the Focus, grab Oscar, and come back to the lab to install the wide body kit. So if my stress levels appear to be somewhat elevated in today's video, that's because they are, because all three cars need to be on a trailer in 48 hours, and I don't know if they're gonna make it. And I'm not sure what happens if they don't make it. Massive shout out to Clayton here at Summit Auto Lab. Boys, the fishbowl is no more. I think this is the cleanest my Aventador has ever been since the day I bought it. In the comments below, how long do you think I'd last before getting pulled over for illegal window tint? And here's the thing though, like if I went to SEMA with a fishbowl, I'd probably be turned away. So I really don't have a choice. The car looks just so sick. Okay, we're late. Clayton absolutely killed the detail. Like the seats are actually orange now versus being black. Okay, so we gotta head to make some models. Utah is just out here flexing on the nation. Winter is coming, boys. You know what that means. I need to get winter tires for the Aventador and the Supra ASAP. And welcome to Make Some Models. Okay, so I just missed the entrance. Don't tell anybody we're going through the exit. Don't do it. Don't do it. I may have just gotten the best news ever. My white Skol wheels for the Supra, they just arrived. Like, I wasn't sure they were gonna make it on time, but they have. And check out this Porsche 911. That color is insane. There are wheels somewhere. My wheels are somewhere, but I don't know where. There. Ooh, yes. Use those muscles. You've been working out, bud.
I have not.
No, you haven't?
Not even
not
at all.
Wait, these are my new tires right here. We got the new Michelins right here. We got some good rubber. So in today's video, we feature the world's,
Most upside down wheel.
That was sick. That was just a sneak preview. Whoa, that is insane. So this is the back side of the wheels, guys. You can see they're half bronze and half white. Yo, no way. Those look so sick. So you got the satin facing, but then the barrel is polished white. You got all the gold hardware. That looks so sick. These are the front wheels. These don't have the crazy offset. I mean, these are insane. So these are Skol wheels from Brixton. So the same company that made the wheels for my Aventador made these wheels as well. These are the front ones. Those, two of those are the back, presumably. Hopefully. If not, we have a problem. Dude, check those out. Look at that offset. What? That's gonna be insane. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is it done? Is it done?
I think so. We're gonna give it a shot.
Okay, that's what we like to hear. We love the optimism. Boys, we are gonna be riding low. Low, low, whoa. Whoa, that's really low, Ty. That's low.
That's as low as the lift goes.
Okay, oh, we're still up. Wait for it, wait for it. That's so sick. That's so cool. What? That thing is so low. We are right there up against the fender. This is crazy. So we're gonna drive it up to park. Obviously you don't drive the car like this. This is in show and display mode right now. We can raise it up when we're driving it on the highway, especially here in Utah where the roads are garbage. This build has been so much fun. Like, we've done so much stuff to this car. This is the first car I've ever had on airbags. I want to give a massive shout out to Universal Air, Icebox Customs, AccuAir, and of course makes and models. I cannot wait for this build to be done. We are so close, boys. So quiet. Like, the compressor is on right now, guys, and you can't even hear it. That's so low. Look how it's just tucked right in there. Nobody better be making fun of my ride height right now. It is in raised mode. 2/3 of the purple crew in line right now. Wait for it, wait for it. That's so sick. That car is on the ground now. What? Thank you, Ty.
You're welcome, man.
Looks so sick. The Supra is like slammed on the ground right now, and we haven't even installed the wide body kit. Like, the wide body, once the front splitter, like, we're gonna be sitting on the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just out here chasing views on views. Wow, that's so sick. We're not gonna be installing the white Skol wheels today. I know, trust me, if we could, we would, but we don't have enough time. And so we're gonna try to hook you guys up. We're just gonna go put it next to the car, just for visualization. I haven't eaten in like 9 days because I've been working around the clock. Visualization. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful. This is a very technical display board, but just work with us. Just work with us. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. That's gonna look insane, dude. What? These half white, half gold barrel. That's so sick. I've never seen that before. I'm sure it's been done. I'm not saying it's the first in the world. I've just personally never seen it. Whoa. We are racing up to Park City right now. The Aventador is staying at Makes and Models. They're gonna complete the annual servicing on that car. Sounds so good. I wanna give a massive shout out to my boys over at Universal Air and Icebox Customs. This airbag setup, it rides better than factory. Be sure to go follow them both on Instagram here and here, link in the description below. This is the E-level touchpad from AccuAir, so we can raise or lower each tire wheel setup independently or simultaneously. We're gonna drop the back end right here. And now we're gonna drop the front end. This is like step number 19 in the process. We got to return the Carrera 4S to Makes and Models. Clayton and Faith are going to start on the wide body kit. Oh, welcome back to Salt Lake City, Utah. So it's about a 45-minute drive between Makes and Models and Clayton's shop. Obviously, I'm only showing you like 10 seconds, but it's a bit of a haul. We've arrived back here to Makes and Models. H1 Hummers are so sick though. I am physically and mentally and emotionally exhausted. I'm not even doing anything though. I'm just like coordinating. I'm just moving the cars, making sure they're in the right places. Everybody else is doing all the work. But we've arrived back here to Makes and Models. Oscar! Oscar! Come on, we gotta go, bud. No, this way, this way. We gotta hustle. You ready, Oscar? Yeah, you're ready. Let's go. As the coordinator who does nothing on these projects, the least I can do is get food. We've arrived to Mobetta's. Dun, 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 dun. In the worst sequence in the vlog ever, they're closed at 3 p.m. on Halloween. I don't know what we're gonna eat. Oscar, what are we gonna eat, bud? Mobetta's is the top of the food pyramid, and Wendy's is not the top of the food pyramid, but they do have the 2 for $5. Not a pay product placement, but I mean, it is 2 for $5. For the third and final time, welcome here to Summit Auto Lab. Welcome to Park City. Wendy's is not Mobetta's, but we did get the biggie bag. Also, check out that sunset. All right. We're jacking up the front end, boys, because it is time to install the front splitter as well as the side piece right here. It's not gonna complete the look of the car, but we're gonna get our first look at the purple wide body.
You'll see.
Here's our first look, the sneak preview of the Supra wide body. It's gonna look so mean, just like look at that front end. Okay, so we need an aerial. Yo, check out that front end. That thing looks so sick. I kind of sort of have some bad news. The car is coming together like incredible. Like Clayton and Faith are absolutely killing it. And the front end of this car, boys, like I totally see Lexus LFA right there. Like this is gonna be a game changer at SEMA. I'm so excited for this build to be finished, but we're gonna actually be finishing it in tomorrow's video, not today's video. So if you're upset or triggered, be sure to let me know in the comments below. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over and I'm out.